Did you know that among thousands of herbs, there are 5 that can destroy your eyes? Today, we're talking about these 5 herbs and how they can actually be harmful to your eyesight. We'll focus on the most dangerous ones that you should avoid to keep your eyes healthy. We'll discuss herbs like Belladonna, which might sound cool but can be really bad for your eyes. And even ones that seem harmless, like Bittersweet Nightshade, can be a hidden eye killer. These herbs can cause problems like blurred vision or even permanent damage to your eyes. It's important to understand why they're risky so you can stay safe. Number 5. Wormwood, Artemisia absinthium.
Wormwood forest.
Wormwood is a plant that stays alive for a long time and is known for its bitter taste and strong smell. It grows naturally in Europe, Asia, and North Africa. People have used wormwood for hundreds of years in different ways, like for medicine, cooking, and making a special kind of alcohol called absinthe. This plant has silver-green leaves and yellow flowers, and it contains stuff like thujone and absinthin, which give it its unique flavor. When making absinthe, wormwood is really important. It's one of the main things used to make the alcohol, along with other plants like anise and fennel. Absinthe was really popular with artists and writers.
Absinthe?
It was known as the green fairy due to its hallucinogenic effects, which are unproven. If you get the juice from wormwood in your eyes, it could hurt them a lot. Wormwood has some things in it that can be really annoying for eyes. It might make them red, sting, burn, or make your vision blurry. In serious cases, it could even cause really bad injuries like scratches or burns on the eyes. So, it's important to be careful when dealing with wormwood or anything made from it to keep it away from your eyes. Hey! Are you loving our content and want more of it delivered straight to your screen? Then it's time to hit that subscribe button on YouTube.
I subscribe to that.
Number 4. Digitalis, Foxglove.
Foxglove, got it.
Digitalis, also known as foxglove, is a plant with pretty bell-shaped flowers. It grows in Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa and has been used in medicine for a long time, especially for heart problems. Digitalis has strong stuff in it called cardiac glycosides, like digitoxin and digoxin, which can help the heart work better if used correctly. Doctors nowadays use Digitalis mostly for heart issues. It can help with problems like congestive heart failure, atrial fibrillation, and some kinds of irregular heartbeats. The cardiac glycosides in Digitalis make the heartbeat stronger and keep its rhythm steady. But because Digitalis can be dangerous if not used carefully, doctors always supervise its use. If Digitalis juice gets in your eyes, it can hurt them badly. The plant has chemicals that can cause irritation, redness, pain, and make your vision blurry. Using too much Digitalis juice might even make you lose your vision. That's why it's super important to be super careful to keep Digitalis away from your eyes. Number 3. Calabar Bean, Physostigma venenosum.
Calabar.
Calabar Bean, also known as Physostigma venenosum, is a poisonous plant found in tropical West Africa. It has special seeds that look like beans inside pods. Even though it's toxic, Calabar Bean has been used in traditional African medicine for a long time. Its seeds have something called physostigmine, which is a powerful chemical that affects how nerves work. Doctors use Calabar Bean mostly to treat certain nerve problems and eye conditions. Physostigmine, taken from the seeds, helps nerves communicate better by increasing a chemical called acetylcholine. This helps with muscle weakness and diseases like myasthenia gravis and reduces pressure in the eye for people with glaucoma. If physostigmine from Calabar Bean gets in your eyes, it can really hurt them. It's a strong chemical that can make your eyes red, watery, and blurry. It might even make your pupils get smaller. Using too much of it could cause serious eye problems like inflammation or even make you lose your vision. So, it's super important to be really careful to keep it away from your eyes. Number 2. Bittersweet Nightshade.
Bittersweet.
Bittersweet Nightshade, also called Solanum dulcamara, is a plant that grows as a vine in Europe and Asia but is now found in many places. It has pretty purple flowers and red berries, and its leaves look like those of potato plants. Even though it looks nice, bittersweet nightshade is poisonous and can make you sick if you eat it. In the past, people used bittersweet nightshade in traditional medicine, but they were careful because it can be harmful. They used it to treat skin problems like eczema and asthma. Some people also thought it could help with pain and swelling, but it's important to be careful because it's poisonous. If the juice from bittersweet nightshade gets in your eyes, it can hurt them a lot. The plant has chemicals in it that can make your eyes red, swollen, itchy, and painful. Using too much of it could even damage your eyes or make you lose your vision. So, it's really important to handle bittersweet nightshade carefully and avoid getting it in your eyes. And the most dangerous is Belladonna, deadly nightshade.
Atropa belladonna.
Belladonna, also called deadly nightshade, is a very poisonous plant found in Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. It has dark berries and purple flowers that look like bells. Even though it looks pretty, belladonna can be deadly if you eat it because it contains strong chemicals that can harm you. Doctors have used belladonna carefully because it's toxic. In the past, it was used to treat different problems like stomach pains and some brain issues, but now it's not used much because safer options are available. If belladonna gets in your eyes, it can really hurt them. The plant has chemicals in it that can make your eyes red, swollen, itchy, and blurry. Using too much of it could even damage your eyes or make you lose your vision. So, it's crucial to handle belladonna with extreme care and avoid getting it in your eyes. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.